Hi guys!
Hey everyone!
So today we're going to show you how we're going to transform our fireplace and give it a little bit of a refresh.
And we'll be using a two-part system from Rustoleum called Rocksolid Home Floor Coating System. So let's get into some of the tools you'll need and let's get to it.
Sounds great!
Okay, so let's go through some of the tools you'll need to complete a project like this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean our tile surface and get it prepped for paint. We're going to be using our Krud Kutter degreaser to clean the surface. After that, we're going to mask around the tile the edge trim. It's metal, so we're going to use our Scotch blue. Make sure we don't get any paint on that. We want to keep it as clean as possible. After that, we'll be masking or prepping the surface around the tile so we don't get paint on it. And we'll be using paper. You can use drop cloth or plastic, whatever you need to just make sure paint's not getting on those surfaces. The system we're using, it's two-part. It's got a base coat, which comes white, and you can get it tinted. We're going to be using a 3/8 inch nap roller to apply it. This will help get down into the grout lines of the tile and leave a nice smooth surface. This takes about 6 hours to dry, so after that 6 hours we'll be doing our top coat. And this is a matte clear top coat. We'll be applying this with our 1/4 inch nap rollers. We've got 2 of them. This being a highly smooth surface, these will work perfect. So now that we know what tools we have, let's get to painting. We put 2 coats of our Rocksolid Home base coat down. We've given it 6 hours to dry, and I mean it's pretty dry. I mean it feels like it is on there and it ain't going anywhere. Another note: I end up using a brush just to get into the very corners of where these tiles come together. The roller just couldn't get there, so. That's something to note as you're doing a project like this. If you've got corners and things where you need to get into with some detail, using just a nice little trim brush can do that for you. But we're going to go ahead and put on our top coat sealer, and we'll just see how this turns out. So stay tuned.
Today we are going to show you how we are going to make over this boring, ugly, drives me crazy, old fire.
It's not that old, but...
Be amazing and beautiful, but we have 2 little boys that I know roughhouse and have balls and throw things and...
have balls. They do have balls. Alright, let's go again. Let me stop that one. Alright, so we have put on 2 coats of our, I forgot what it's called.